In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $15,250 in commission just in one single month promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube because a lot of people are searching for this service on YouTube, okay? And you should start promoting this service as a beginner if you want to earn some commission and so much more, okay? So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share with you for free. And so I made this commission in the month of March, okay? From the first day of March, okay, until the last day, 31, okay? And let's update this page. And here we go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers because this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot. I'm not showing you screenshot like other people. And in my balance over here, as you can see, I have $3,120 available. I will still get more commission in next few days, and this month can be up to like 10k or 12k. We don't know. I will share with you guys. I will keep you updated about my result with affiliate marketing. So let's get started. So for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, so what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community, click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commission. So just click over here on join now. And here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country over here and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. Anyone can sign up. It will take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. And I will share with you one of my profitable services and I will share with you the method that I'm using to fund a profitable services. Okay, so what you will do next, go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, let me show you. Open your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, it's super easy. Click over here on the search and ask question. Let's ask, for example, how to edit, for example, Twitch. And here you go. You just need to ask any question and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. This is report search prediction, as you can see, okay? So people are searching for how to edit Twitch clips for TikTok, how to edit Twitch videos for YouTube, how to edit Twitch streams, okay? So let's take this topic, for example, how to edit Twitch videos for YouTube. So what you will do next, go to your YouTube, to your Fiverr homepage, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search, okay? Search for Twitch editing, okay? Search for Twitch editing, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr, okay? Like this one, he is level 2 seller. I will edit your Twitch stream, vote for YouTube video quickly, okay? Like, so what I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So let's choose, for example, good seller here, okay? I will edit Twitch or quick stream vote like this one, okay? As you can see, this one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5 star. I will click on his video, on his service, okay? And here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page And as you can see, this seller has 16 orders in queue. Okay, so which people will buy this service? So those people, of course, those people who are searching for how to edit Twitch videos for YouTube, those people who are searching for how to edit Twitch videos for YouTube, only who can buy this service. And as you can see how many reviews this seller has, so a lot of people are buying this service. Okay, so because people always, some people asking me in the comments, it's this is not working, it's not working, this is if it's not working, who will buy this service? Okay, so anyway, as you can see, a lot of orders in queue, people are still buying this service, people keep coming back. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. Okay, copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, before we do that, we need to go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, click on his video. I'm just gonna plop my hand up here so you can do a little bit of motion tracking on my hand. Sick. Goodbye. Sleep tight. We're gonna be doing the most absurd. Should we make it? He's really making a professional editing, okay, for Twitch, editing Twitch for YouTube videos. Okay, as you can see. So what you will do next, double click on the video, click on save video as, and you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, let's name this video Twitch. Click on save. After you finish, go back to Google, search for Canva. Okay, like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on video, it's for free, of course. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file. Upload this video to your Canva account. Open. Here you go. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background, and click over here on text. Okay, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. You will use this one. Click on the text style, and your text style will be over here. It will delete this part. Okay, decrease the font size of your text like this. Put your text here, double click on your text, write the sentence, check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description, and put this text here like this. Okay, click on element and click over here on shape. Click on color, choose black color, put this shape behind your text like this. Okay, and here you go. Check link in my description. It's really looking good. Let's check now. I'm just gonna plop my hand up here so you can do a little bit of motion tracking on my hand. Sick. Goodbye. Sleep tight. We're gonna be doing the most absurd. Should we make him strong? Should we make him smart? Should we make him absurdly stupid? Who knows? My name is Jared. I'm 19. I've never. This seller is really providing good service. Okay, he is really making good editing for Twitch. Okay, so what you will do next after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. After you finish, go to your YouTube channel. Okay, open your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel. Use this title, how to edit Twitch videos for YouTube. Use exactly this title like this. Okay, you should use those keywords that people are using to search for this topic on YouTube, okay? So they can find your YouTube video in the search results, okay? Because you will get views from search from YouTube search, okay? Use this title, go to your YouTube description, upload this video, and go to your YouTube description, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here. If you don't have this CPA old plan, because I have old Fiverr affiliate account, you should see this Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same, okay? Put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it, okay? Start making videos related to what people are searching for, related to those topics that people are searching for, okay? And you can start making money with affiliate marketing using YouTube, okay? And as you can see, it's already working. People who are asking me in the comments it's not working, I have been doing this, I'm getting just clicks. If you start getting clicks, that's really good, okay? If you start getting clicks, that's meaning people are clicking on your video. You just need to improve your videos and improve your description, your titles, your presentation, about how you present this service to your customers, okay? And you can make so much money with those services for free, just using free traffic, okay? People who are asking it's not working, who will buy this service if it's not working? Which people will buy this service? Of course, only those people who are searching for how to edit Twitch videos for YouTube, okay? So that's it. This is my method. That's what I do to earn commission every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic. I search for services related to topics that people are searching for on YouTube. I promote those services on YouTube and I earn commission, and that's it, okay? For people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, I will leave a link in my description below so you guys can check this video. I already made a video showing you exactly how you can do it. You can check this video and go and start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube for free. Stay consistent, and that's it, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.